In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a portfolio website in Canva. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional site that highlights your work and is ready to share. Start by heading to canva.com and logging in with a free or paid account. Canva's website builder lets you publish a simple portfolio at no cost, so this is perfect if you're just getting started. From your dashboard, use the search bar to type Portfolio Website. You'll see a wide range of professionally designed, mobile-ready templates. Take a moment to browse. Look for a design that reflects your style and the kind of work you want to showcase, whether that's creative, minimalist, or polished and corporate. Picking a template that already matches your vibe will save time and keep your design consistent. When you find one you like, click. Customize this template to open it in the Canva editor. Some templates are a single scrolling page, while others break sections into multiple screens. Either way, you can rearrange, add, or hide elements inside the editor as needed. Now, personalize the content. Start with the hero or intro section. Replace the placeholder text with your name, your professional title, and a short, clear description of what you do. Upload a strong headshot or a relevant background image. Make sure the text is easy to read over the image by adjusting contrast or adding an overlay. Move to the About Me section. Write a brief bio that explains who you are, your expertise, and what sets your work apart. Keep it friendly and concise. Add a professional photo or visuals that reflect your personality and field. For the Work or Projects section, upload your best examples, images, screenshots, videos, or graphics. Pair each item with a short description that mentions the project name, tools used, and your role. Lead with your strongest work, use consistent image sizes, and keep file sizes reasonable so the page loads quickly. In the Contact section, add your preferred email address and links to your social profiles. If you want a more private option, you can embed a contact form using a tool like JotForm or simply link to it. Only share a phone number if you're comfortable making it public. Next, fine-tune the design. Update fonts and colors to match your personal brand and upload a logo or personal mark if you have one. Rearrange sections by dragging elements to keep the layout clean, with clear headings and plenty of white space. Before publishing, click Preview and check both desktop and mobile views. Test links, scan for typos, and make sure images crop correctly. When everything looks great, click Share and choose Publish as Website. Follow the prompts to go live, then copy your link and share your new portfolio with confidence.